how to fix the issue where you're not receiving verification codes on Gmail. So if you're trying to receive a Gmail verification to your account and it's not sending, the first thing we want to do is go and check our spam folder. Now you can do this directly in the Gmail app itself. In the top left hand side, click on the navigation bar and you can scroll down to the bottom here and click on spam. And as you can see, this will show all of the emails that are currently in our spam account. Now you can also use the search box at the top and you can go and search for the specific verification code that you're looking for. So if it was Instagram, for example, you can just go and search for Instagram and you can check to see if you can find the email that way. Now, if that's not working, we're going to close out of the app. You're going to open up the settings on your iPhone. From the settings page, scroll down and click on General, click on iPhone Storage, and then scroll down until you find the Gmail application and click on this. If you have the option to offload the app, then press this button and just click Offload App. Now, once you've done that, you need to head back over to the Gmail app and that should go in reinstall onto your device. And once it's reinstalled, you can check to see if you're now receiving the email. Another solution is you can open up an internet browser on your phone, head over to the website google.com. In the top right hand side, click on sign in and then go and sign in with your Gmail account. Once you're signed in, click on the square icon in the top right navigation and click on Gmail. Now, instead of clicking on open the Gmail app, press I am not interested. Now, this is going to load up your emails directly from your web browser. So if there's an issue downloading emails to your iPhone, then this is going to load up your emails directly in the app. And sometimes you can find the verification code from here instead. Now, hopefully by following all of these steps, that should have now fixed the verification code not sending to your phone. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.